Hi and welcome to my French marketing world. If you're watching this, you're building up your email marketing campaign in France. And that's excellent news because emailing in France will make you stand out to sell more. In fact, it can be extremely powerful. But if you're not used to European regulations such as GDPR, it might not be that easy. This crash course will give you all the information you need to build the foundation of your emailing campaign in France. But first, let me tell you how the French are different. First, I'll move myself up there. So, first you need to know that French people love their privacy. That means they don't easily share their private data, such as IP address or email address. They hate unsolicited emails, and even worse, they hate unsolicited SMS. Second, ironically, privacy and data security have turned into a public matter, with the state having a lot of influence on those topics. We have quite a few stringent laws in Europe, including the so-called right to disconnect and lots of anti-phishing measures. All of them will impact the technical setup of your campaign. Also, labor law is one of the most stringent in Europe, and controls are frequent. Technically, employees are not allowed to check their private inbox during working hours, and the other way around, they are not allowed to use their business inbox for private communications. This will also change how you segment and target your audience. And last but not least, the French love feeling important and considered, but as you know, they hate having to give away their personal data. So you'll have to find some way to get to this data in a legal manner. And this is what we're going to deal with during this crash course. You're going to learn how to make sure that your messages land where they belong, and that's your clients' mailboxes. You're going to learn how to seduce your French audience without paying a fortune for it, and how to turn your emails into lead magnets in France. So, as soon as you're ready, join me on the next video for our first module, 3 must-know rules to hike email reach. You'll learn how to get your messages into your clients' mailboxes. See you there!